What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be cooking crab legs, but we're not going to be boiling them. We're going to do it a different way. It's going to be a good one. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, so we're going to be making these crab legs on the smoker. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to turn this grill on, and we're going to crank it up to 250 degrees and let it get the temp. Meanwhile, while this is getting the temperature, we're going to go inside and make the sauce. Alright, so now we're going to make the sauce. What we're going to do, we're going to turn this on, put it over medium heat. Then we're going to put the butter in there, put 1 pound of butter in, let it melt. I like to use the garlic herb butter. We use 1 pound. We're going to let that melt real quick. Alright, so what I like to do is I like to use minced garlic with it on top of the butter, but it says for only 1 tablespoon. I love garlic, so I'm going to do 1.5 tablespoons. Garlic. About 1.5. Just do a couple drops of Worcestershire sauce. And then the seasoning I'm going to be using is the Killer Hogs Bayou blend. Add a good portion of that. Then we're going to mix it up and throw it on the crab whenever it's ready. And one other thing I'm going to add is I'm going to throw a little bit of chives on top whenever it's done melting. Alright, now all the butter's melted, I'm going to come over here with some chives. Throw some chives in there. And then we're going to take it off and put it on them crab legs. Alright, now we got the butter all done, chives are in there. We're just going to come over here. We're just going to pour it nice and slow on them crab legs. You'd be surprised. You don't think that it's going to get that much flavor because it's through shell, but I won't ever boil crab legs again. The best way to do it is on a stove, or on a smoker, sorry. Alright, so we're going to baste it until that smoker's all ready. And once that smoker's ready, we're going to put them on, let them cook. Alright, now that the smoker's got up to 250, it's ready to put these things on. What I'm going to do is just grab them, throw them on. What we're going to do is we're going to let them cook. The total cook time is going to be about 30 minutes. And every 10 minutes, we're going to open it up and we're going to baste them. With that, keep all that sauce that's in this pan right here. We're just going to get that base, put it back on top every 10 minutes. And then once that 30-minute marker hits, they're ready to come off and get to eating. Alright, now it's been the grill sitting here at 250. They've been on for 10 minutes. Starting to get a little bit more red. Get that good color, so what we're going to do, we're going to get this base. We're just going to base everything real good. We got a lot of extra sauce, so you ain't got to be shy. Just get in there, get each leg. These crab legs, if y'all ain't never put no crab legs on a smoker, you ain't going to want to boil no crab legs no more. These things, best way to do it by far. I mean, they taste great, give a lot more flavor, a lot more a little smoky, not too bad though. It gives you a really good seafood, and the best part is whenever you break them open, the meat comes out in one piece almost every time. And they're just super flavorful, even with the shell on. Gives it that good flavor. So what we're going to do, after I get done with this, we're going to close the lid. We're going to do this 2 more times, and then they're good to come off and ready to eat. Alright, that's good. We'll be back in 10 more minutes. Alright, it's been another 10 minutes. They're starting to look real nice. Look at that. I mean, they look really good. See how red they're getting? I mean, they're just getting that gray color. So we're going to baste these again. And the reason why I baste them so much is because, you know, this heat's getting rid of a lot of it. So I'm coming in every 10 minutes because it's got to stay pretty heavily based because it's got to get through that shell. So you come in every 10 minutes, start basting them, and it's going to stay pretty good. I mean, they're going to have a lot of flavor, and they're going to break real easy, and they're going to taste amazing. That's the best part. I mean, I kid you not, ever since I started doing them this way, I have not boiled my crabs. It's just, they don't even compare. I mean, if y'all give it a try, I mean, you could do it in an oven too, but if you want that little smoky barbecue taste to it, highly recommend doing it on a pellet grill because it holds that 250 degree temp really well, gives it that smoke, and I don't know, I think it just does something with the crab legs itself. Now, baste them again. We're gonna give it another 10 minutes, and then we'll come back out, baste them one more time, take them off, and get to eating them. All right, now it's been 30 minutes total. What I like to do, well, they look great. So I'm gonna come over here with this space, and whatever left I got, I'm gonna baste it with it. And just go real heavy, get all that garlic that's been sitting in here on them. All right, now that they're done cooking, been cooking for 30 minutes, let's get these puppies off and crack into them. All right, let's get tasting these. All right, now we got everything off the grill. Time to taste them. Got mine right here. Break one off. Should have grabbed a big one, but I always work left to right. They got so much flavor. I mean, it's amazing. I mean, you don't realize how much actually seeps through these crab legs and just taste. I mean, look, you just get them in nice pieces. Oh my God, they taste amazing too. Let's get to these bigger ones down here. See what they're talking about. I mean, they're just juicy. Let's just try to get y'all a good one. All right, there we go. Look at that. I mean, just big old, there we go. I mean, not very often can you just pull out a whole piece of crab like that. I mean, yep. It's so good. You don't even need butter. I mean, they're just that flavorful. That's another thing. You don't need to get you a little thing of butter to dip it in to give it flavor. All the flavors inside of it already. They're just amazing. So good. I appreciate y'all watching this video. This is my favorite way to make crab legs. If y'all want to try it. That's how I make them. And I appreciate y'all watching. If y'all don't mind, like, subscribe. Watch my previous video. It was chicken kebabs. Very good. One of my favorite way to make chicken kebabs. Appreciate y'all watching. Hope y'all enjoyed, and hope to see y'all next week.